Daqiao machinery has started from scratch for 2 decades. From its founding, we will strive to be the most innovative manufacturer of paper container packaging and die-cutting machinery in China. We regard technological innovation as important, are fully aware of the power of scientific research, has opened product R&D center and carry out extensive technical development and project collaborations. Nowadays, Daqiao's roll die cutting with full stripping machine, high-speed roll die cutting with embossing and creasing machine, high-speed roll die punching machine, automatic hologram hot foil stamping machine, new type paper carton erecting machine, and other paper product forming machines all have CE qualifications, as well as in the line with domestic and international standards. Daqiao undertakes the mission statement of developing as the domestic first-class paper packaging equipment manufacturer, the national new high-tech enterprise, and the prize winner of several national, provincial, and municipal scientific and technological innovation awards, and numerous scientific research patents and honors. Meanwhile, we actively explore the high-efficiency paper container, packaging, and die-cutting field of technology, provide integrated product solution for the global packaging automation industry chain, improve the automation and precision of equipment, and meet the application needs of packaging equipment products. We devote ourselves to making paper product package and automatic die-cutting machines, to providing the solution for customers in order to bring the sustainable development for our partners.